going in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner and outlining the pumpkin area of the face, as well as the pumpkin eye, which is a triangle. Next, I'm going in with my Metron face paint in black and filling in the pumpkin eye. Then I'm going back in with the black eyeliner to create the pumpkin nose. I'm basically just doing a haphazard triangle and filling it in with the black eyeliner. Next, I'm applying the Metron orange face paint to the areas that I outlined, being careful not to overlap it with the black edges.
Everyone hail to the pumpkin song. In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise. Skeleton Jack might catch you in the back and scream like a banshee, make you jump out of your skin. This is Halloween, everybody scream. Please make way for a very special.
Now I'm going in with a fluffy brush dipped in dark gray eyeshadow and going around the edges of the pumpkin eye and the cracked part of the face to really give the look some dimension and shadowing. Going back in with that NYX eyeliner pencil, I'm lining the lips and creating a long line from the midpoint of the cheeks to the outer corner of the mouth. Once I had it outlined, I began to fill it in and create a really exaggerated mouth like a pumpkin.
Everywhere, life's no fun without a good scare.
That's our job,
But we're not mean
in our town of Halloween.
Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see.
Then I'm filling in the mouth with the black Metron face paint, which really makes the lips pop. Next, it's time to add the lines to create the look of a scooped mouth. I did 4 lines total on each side and curved them inward. Next, I started adding the cracked areas around the opening of the face, but then decided to wait until the end to finish all of them since I still needed to apply foundation. Now I'm going in with some Tarte Shape Tape to prime the eyelid for my eyeshadow look. Next, I'm filling in my eyebrows using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. For my eyeshadow look, I kept it simple and just created a brown smoky eye using my favorite Tartelette and Bloom palette from Tarte. I just kept building up the crease and outer corner with different shades to get the level of intensity I wanted, and used windshield wiper motions to blend everything really well.
Might catch you in the back and
Now I'm going in with the Tarte Face Tape foundation and applying it to the bare parts of my face with a mini sponge. I also added some Tarte Shape Tape concealer under the eyes to really brighten things up. To finish up the eyes and add some extra drama, I'm applying a black wing. To complete the pumpkin face, I'm adding in burnt orange lines from the top of the face all the way down to the neck and adding in small cracks around the opening.
Everywhere, life's no fun without a good scare.
that's our job,
But we're not mean
in our town of Halloween.
Hope you enjoyed my easy cracked pumpkin makeup look, and don't forget to subscribe.
pumpkin song.